Look at these houses, bro. Anyway, I'm headed to European Classic Car Show at the local park here. I absolutely love European classic cars. More than American cars. And probably more than Japanese cars. Some of you may know I used to have a BMW E30. Regret selling that car. But it had to go. It needed some work and I didn't have the funds or the time. So these houses are nice. Oh yeah, a lot of people already here. Porsche, Ferrari, Porsche, E30, Lexus, Jaguar. A lot of nice cars out here. Not even in the show. Nice. Oh. Gonna cream on my pants if I see any more of these Porsches. Okay, just wanted to make sure you guys can see my Marquez hat. I've been here a long time ago. And it's so nice to see all these cars. We got the VW row. Are these MGs or Triumphs? I'm not sure. Oh, Volvo. Triumphs over here. When you see an engine bay like that, all exposed, it's just the best. I hate this new plastic covered engine bays and, you know, like, oh man, let us see the art. Wow, look at this. Who knew Volvo made a car like this? That's beautiful. That's great. I'm glad there are people alive that care about old cars and keep it well, and you know. Instead of a Porsche, you can buy a Lotus these days. It's a nice looking Lotus. Honestly, if you see Porsches everywhere, maybe a Lotus is a second best option. It looks really good. And you know it's got a Toyota engine, so it's gonna be pretty reliable for a while. Lambos with the doors. Crazy. I've never seen the backside of a old school Lambo.
This is off the gun. He did such a good job. And then
So who did the
Mulsanne.
Mulsanne.
They did everything. You know, remember the bumper covers here? Look at this.
Wow. Look how far back that engine is. It's crazy. That's amazing. That's amazing.
His response is pretty funny. He goes, well, you know,
328 GTS. Oh my goodness. I don't know if that's real or it's replicas. My God. This is what makes you fall in love with race car driving and all that stuff. Seeing cars like this. Wow. I gotta take a photo of this. Let's continue our tour. That's great.
So I think this is. Is this your car?
Oh God.
I gotta know, like, because I don't think this.
At first, I was thinking, is it a replica or is it real?
Well, yeah, that was the first question. Is this like a real one?
Yeah.
But that engine doesn't belong here. Like, it's way too modern.
That's still a four-cylinder.
Yeah, but it has like, it looks like it's a direct injection.
Yeah.
It's a Volkswagen engine.
Oh, okay.
Did they make they install Volkswagen engines back in the day on Lancias?
No, I don't believe
I think it would have been a Google, yes.
Either way, it's beautiful. It's
Yeah,
like
it's
it's still
super
nice.
cool. I'm sure it's an absolute hoot.
I know. Please let it be. Is the street legal? Yeah, it is. It might be. It's got a license.
Yeah.
Tail lights, headlights.
You know, I've got a buddy who his dad built a kit car,
Yeah.
and they were like getting ready to like get registered and figured out was there going to be some big inspection and stuff. And he couldn't believe when it came time to register it how easy it was.
How easy was it?
He was
Yeah,
like, "Did we tell them we built it ourselves? Will that change anything?"
There's no
'Cause
safety standard,
They
but
don't seem to care.
that's awesome. Though.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty interesting.
So many cool cars. I need a car for my birthday. I need something. Hello, how are you?
Hey,
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
I just noticed your shirt. Oh, Mark Marquez.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, he's on a mission to break Rossi's record of.
It's possible. It's
Yeah.
this year. Are you a big fan of either one?
Well, I'm not really that big into MotoGP. I'm more into four wheels.
Oh, sure. Yeah. Me too. I like both, but yeah, I'm kind of hooked on MotoGP lately.
All right,
Yeah. Do you have a favorite rider or anything?
not really.
No?
But Rossi is up there,
Yeah.
mainly because he switched to cars.
Wow. I need a car. I don't know how I'm gonna break the news to the wife. I need a car. You have nowhere to park anyway. That's the problem. My God.
What's your coolant capacity?
I never overheats.
Do your feet get hot?
Everything gets hot.
Okay.
Well, I mean, the aluminum floor, like, see.
Is there an oil leak happening? Oh, they're just protecting the grass. Of course, oil leak is happening for Porsches. It's nothing new. I love them, especially the cars, but in Alberta, in Calgary, you need an all-wheel drive system, especially if you're going to drive it daily and in the winter and whatnot. Jesus Christ. The size of this engine is crazy. One, two, three. It's the V12. I can see you, man.
Yeah.
This is why classics are cool.
Said the guy who just bought a red one. And the deal was so good, I had to buy it. You know, I
Riding around in one of these, I feel like $1 million. Maybe coming here wasn't such a good idea. Now I got the itch. Gull wing. What the heck is a Chrysler Crossfire doing here? It's not classic or European. Well, just like the Fisker we saw earlier. M5. M5 is definitely a car I consider. Again, the problem is rear-wheel drive for the older ones. Oh, it's a 540i. Sorry. This used to be my car.
We have to shuffle. Like, luckily, my shop is just a few blocks away, so we drop the cars.
They used to have the exact same model, 325 IS. They put an M motor in here? It's ridiculous. Beautiful Triumph. Kind of looks like an ambassador from India. Morris 1000. That's what it's called. Looks like a classic Indian ambassador. Oh, just a little short. Looks like an ambassador and a Beetle merged into one. I think that's it. It's time to head back. A lot of beautiful cars. All these different brand names. Yeah, I would happily take any one of these. Maybe not the Fisker, but yeah, tons of cool looking cars. A lot of people still care about them. This future of electric vehicles, and I don't know, man. You don't get the same soul, you don't get the same designs, right? It'll be pretty bland.